Okay, so this Sentosa town area opposite the KSL mall, pretty nice landed estate. You can see to the east of the landed houses there's a big forest jungle, so there's still good forest even around the city area. Okay, there's a highway going to the north and to the eastern side of Johor. Okay, this is the busy junction near KSL and Plaza Pelangi. If you want to buy some computer stuff, laptops, electronics, Plaza Pelangi has quite a lot electronics there. Okay, Tebrau Highway, very busy road. And so many shop houses beside Tebrau Highway. Okay, this is one of the older condos. And this tall one, this is the tallest condo in JB. Sometimes the clouds will sometimes cover the top of the condo. This is one of the older luxury condos, but the tallest in JB. Okay, straight ahead that is Singapore, and you can see the most happening thing in Singapore, JB. Okay, this is the new RTS Link bridge. Across the Strait of Johor, across the small sea between Singapore and JB. Okay, this is the most happening thing between Singapore and JB in 2026, 2027, when the RTS train starts to run Finally, after 100 years, there's a direct train link between Singapore and JB. So apparently, the Singapore JB situation will change once the RTS trains start running. The relationship between Singapore and JB will be much closer than ever. Okay, so you can see going to the east, the Strait of Johor, the small sea, going to the east becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, this is looking east towards Singapore Changi Airport. You can see the aeroplanes landing and taking off in the distance. Okay, so the small sea gets wider towards the east. Okay, that is another town, Permas Jaya, towards the east of JB. That's where you have Sanibong Cove Marina. Very nice marina in Sanibong Cove, and very nice landed estate there also. Okay, so the sea gets wider towards Singapore Changi and Pasir Ris area. And towards the Johor River area. Okay, you can see all the government flats in Punggol, Sengkang in the distance.